Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. And if you are looking for a really amazing product to help you with your DIY, then this is going to be the one for you. I do a lot of DIY, and this product impressed me so much. This is a 10-inch adjustable lambswool applicator, and it's from PinStone. This is just such a high quality product. You get three lambswool pads that fit perfectly on this solid wood plate that has a 0 to 90 degree adjustable angle head that has a universal thread so you can add whatever handle you like. I have done this exact project a few times before and it takes so long, but using this applicator, it took me no time at all. Not only does it hold a ton of product, but it goes on so smoothly, does not leave any lint behind. I swear my life has been changed. I am so in love with this product. I wish I had it before, and I can see how easy my upcoming projects are going to be now that I have this in my life. These lambswool applicators are so incredible. I wish I had them sooner. I am completely obsessed, and I think you will be too. And that's my point of view.